I mean, we really kind of never know what we're doing.
Good job.
Let's go somewhere.
Get ready for the next round.
Because on a night like tonight, I kind of feel like anything's possible. We all American.
Go! Take a sip of my drink, fucking take the bottle. I've dated grad school chicks and I've dated models. I'm a lucky man, maybe I should play the lotto. But they don't wanna swallow their pride. I ain't tryna go home, that's a fucking motto. And I don't wanna fall in love with another model. So baby, what you got inside your water bottle? But they don't wanna ruin the surprise. Yeah, so now she wanna hear my new song. I give it to her right before I put my moves on. I'm in that two-door coupe, me and Sufjan. Tell him I don't even need a deal like Groupon, cause all she ever really wanted was that real shit. I'm 5'9", but I'm feeling like I'm real big. On top of the clouds in the buildings. Cut a little class, cause my life is like a field trip. Where we staying tonight? Am I playing it right? And can I knock it out the park like late in the night? Cause everybody in the crowd loves a comeback. So name the city that I'm in and I'll run that. It's all trickery, play the hickory dickory. Every chick that be into me